Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share it with you guys different varieties of marigolds, sunflower and dahlias available in Lowe's. So let's get into the video, and this is going to be the part 3 of flower seeds available in Lowe's Garden Center. Dahlia seeds. Okay, let me see what we have. Rainbow mixed color dahlias. Container variety. Let me see. It days to germinate 8 to 12 days, and they grow 18 inches, so it's a smaller variety. You could use it for border planting. And days to bloom 50 to 75 days. Usually, like if you start indoor, they bloom end of June mostly, and they are container varieties, and you have pretty beautiful collections. The only thing is it's going to be surprise what color you get until the bloom you will see in your garden. You could give it a try because it's just 2.19. You get how many seeds? 200 milligram. I think maybe, let me see. Maybe you got 25 to 30 seeds. You have doubles and semi doubles, so you got all different varieties. And then we have 5 spot, forget me not again, and helicerium. Okay, ornamental gourds. If you are looking for fall planting seeds for arrangements, you have ornamental gourds that you can start during summer. And then we have bottle gourd, birdhouse variety. And then we have Godita, Gazania, 4 o'clock, and we have some more hollyhocks and impatiens. And then we have marigolds. I think most of the gardeners try marigolds because they deter mosquitoes and pests for your, so it's going to be companion plants for many of your garden plants, so you could definitely try this. And they also aggressively self seed, so if you're looking for some plant like this to self seed, this is, I think, good choice. And then we have larkspur. This is again another beautiful vertical bloom structure. I love to grow them, but I not yet tried. And then we have marigold, crackerjack mixed color, same here. And then we have Eskimo variety, beautiful delicate yellow. And then French double dwarf. And then you have sunflower, various varieties, American giant, and let me see what else we have. So you have autumn beauty and cutting gold, evening sun, dwarf teddy bear, and dwarf incredible. And you have evening sun, fun sunny hybrid mix, and mammoth, moonshine. You see, mammoth Russian, all $2.19. And you have mixed colors. And I was just looking for some red color one. Let me see if I can find it. Moonshine, yeah, red sun. This was beautiful. And skyscraper. And yeah, the velvet queen. This is another beautiful variety. So if you're looking for sunflower growing, you have beautiful varieties available to choose from.